Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. It has been a while since I've posted, everybody. I've had such an infestation of ants in my room, but now I've got it cleared out. I can record again, and that other video I was planning on making, it got corrupted. So but here's a different one. I found this game, and it's honestly pretty cool. I haven't really tried it yet. I just was like, oh, record this. It's a new game I found. So what you want to do to find this is it's like a gorilla tag with tornadoes. Um, so you're gonna go onto the shop and search Ape Out. I think Ape Out. Hold on. Oh yeah. There it is. Okay. So this is a game about being a gorilla, but like storm chasing. So what you do, press get. Hopefully I have enough storage for this. I probably do. I feel like I still have some gigs left. And wait for that to install. I um uh oh whoa. Can I not have my boundary station? I guess. Alright, don't run in front of this, maybe it'll be a glitch with this for some credits. Okay. Oh. That feels nice on my eyes, but this is like putting some strain on my eyes. Grip on door, which gripped it? Why does the controllers look like that? It is disgusting. You can see the shadows. It looks disgusting. Or returning. Wait, so this is grip. And then this is trigger. So this one is trigger. This one is grip. Okay, there's a lot of people in there. What? Mm. Can I make the name? This game may be broken. don't be broken, please. Maybe. Like, I don't... No rooms. No rooms. Not fun. I have to. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Whoa! Look at the clouds. Okay, finally in. Oh.
I'm tired.
Oh my god, no way this game still works.
But you thought it got discontinued?
And it's already starting. That's
Tornado.
immediately.
You wanna hop on? Here, come quick. Get up to the top of it. And then just grab it like this.
Oh, I'm in.
No.
Don't disconnect. Oh, it almost just connected. My game will naturally. I wish I had a wider view. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's forming. Oh, wait. Oh, that's... Oh my god! That town's getting shredded! Oh my god, there's the beam just falling. Dissipating, it's dissipating. Okay, okay. It's gonna get some wind from the dissipation. Hold on, it's... My credits isn't really good. Wait, why is my probe not working? There has to be some wind. That is not realistic. How do I get it? Oh, there's another one. There's another one. I don't have a car. I don't know how to get a car. Oh my god. Don't. There's another one. There's another one going. Oh my god, this is actually kind of terrifying. Dude, that looks destroyed.
Yo, hello?
What the? Hello?
Did you help me play the game?
Oh my gosh. That's... I'm in the middle of it. I'm in the middle. Oh my god. I need to get to shelter. Oh my god. I am cooked. I am so cooked.
Yo, where are you?
I'm dead. I am dead. Is there a safe zone? There better be a safe zone. Oh my god! Yo, it spawned behind me. Oh, that's terrifying! Oh my god! Oh, I'm stuck in the toilet. The toilet's going. Holy crap. Ow! I'm legit holding on. Oh, that's terrifying! Oh, I'm dead. Where do I help? I'm in the sky. Oh no, I'm in the sky.
Oh, never mind. This one is going out the map.
I'm in the sky.
Whoa, I really want to use a car that will get lifted.
Oh, I went flying.
But it can handle. Yeah, why not?
Was that the sound of blood?
By chance.
When I hit the ground, dude.
Did you help me play the game?
That is not.
Oh yes, why not? Let me just. This is the best car in the game because it can handle 240 wind power. But if a tornado goes 260, then we might get lit. And bro, there's already a tornado. You're in. Good job. You're in. All right.
Wait, so like,
Oh shoot.
if I'm in the tornado, will we like get money?
Oh.
Hold up, bro. Hold up. Talk to me when you get a little bit near the tornado, cause I gotta focus. Oh, I have to go over here. Hold up. Yeah, I'm going the right way. I'm just confused at first. I'm like, look, where am I supposed to go? Alright, bro, we're about to... Alright, bro, but right now at the way of the tornado, we might get lit pretty early.
Oh.
Yep, like I called. Yep,
Oh
bro,
my
like
god.
I called. We might
That's
get lit.
lag.
Man, I haven't even got my Dominator, bro.
Yo, bro, we might not survive on this one because this tornado might, well, we might live, but if I deploy a little late, we might die. Yep, bro. See how big the tornado out there? Alright, bro. So, Chris, there are 3 lines, but hold up. Let me.
Oh, holy lag. Holy
An
lag.
optimized
I wish this
Sorry, I had an
was.
optimized lane.
Is that coming? That's kind of
Alright, hold up, bro. Hold up. Pressure 3
I think I recommend this game. Dude. Oh, it's coming!
Oh yeah, bro, press your 3 lines. Hold up, bro. The new guy. Press your 3 lines and unoptimize your gameplay. Press your 3 lines. It's just a optimize gameplay, and then you press say unoptimize gameplay. That's how I'm not lagging. Ah, shoot. Bro, we're stuck. Bro, we're stuck. Alright. Bro, we're stuck. Bro, we're stuck. Bro, we're stuck, bro. Dead. Dead. Dead.
It's dark.
Yeah, bro, we're kind of close. Well, I don't know how to focus. I don't know how to make
There's the rotation. And
Yo,
over
bro, we
here.
might need a tornado to lift us.
So we don't want to go over there. Okay.
Alright, at least it's such a probe right here, but we don't need a tornado.
My probe is over there. Yeah, I think that's my probe. Right there. The red area is tornado watch. Yellow is tornado watch. We could get into the zone.
Come on, tornado, I need you to lift me.
Driving in my truck. Let's look at OSHA.
Never mind, bro, I got us unstuck.
Dude, that. Okay.
That's what I'm doing right now. Alright. We're right now.
My pro is right there. It's probably picking up wind right now. Wait, hopefully it's my pro.
Yep, never mind.
Yeah, that should be my pro. Yo! This place is destroyed.
Yo, bro, grab all your items. Hold up.
How'd you get out of the car?
Yo, bro, hold up.
You go to the garage and you select. Oh, tornado warning gone.
Out of the car. Get out of the car.
Oh, you just press your trigger. You press your trigger.
No traffic. It's alright.
I'm pressing trigger. It's not working.
You have to press the trigger on the door.
So we have to go to the garage and call me a new one. I mean, I don't know how to do the traffic.
I'm heading back.
Whoa, how to do the tracking glitch. You put your controller behind your back and make sure you have a lot of space and then flick it. Flick your controller behind your back.
Why am I so slow?
Like,
It's like 16, 17 miles per
hold
hour.
on, what type of VR do you have? Better question.
Why is this car
It only
so
works
slow?
for Quest 3 X's and Quest 3. It only works for Quest 3 X's and Quest 3.
Yo! Driving in my car right after I did. And that bump is shaped like a deer. Gosh. Skirt! Skirt! I'm a
Wait,
drag racer.
I think a tornado's spawning.
I'm slow again. Oh, we're in tornado watch.
It's spawning.
Okay. Severe storm. Yeah, it is a severe storm. I should get my probe. Oh, okay. Yeah. We got some rotation. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Let me try. That's not good. That's not good. It's so laggy. Not good. Tornado. not see anything.
Huge.
I can't. Okay, my probe is definitely. That car just moved. My probe is picking. Oh yeah. Oh no. No, 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 no. If I would have stayed, I'd be dead.
If the tornado has 300 speed, but if the tornado has 300 speed, then we're cooked. On tip 2. On tip 2, yeah, if the tornado has 300 speed, we're gone.
Oh, it's coming my way.
Look, bro.
I just ran.
I'm lifting my probe. No, I need to go.
Get my probe. Get my probe. Get
I'm
it.
about to spawn my I'm about to spawn on tip 2.
Do I have to move it?
That's
Or
hard.
Get my probe.
Yeah.
I know.
Yes, that is.
Get it.
That's
Holy crap.
That has to be. What? Yes, it might be the El Reno tornado. From the 20.
It's not.
El Reno.
It's not.
Okay.
Oh,
I
it's not.
get me.
Alright, that's good.
Oh, never mind. Maybe it is. Maybe it is.
I told you.
Oh man.
It wasn't the El Reno tornado. I've never seen a what? Whoa.
Yes, it is.
Whoa!
This thing's huge.
And it's so huge. Oh my god.
And then there's something in it.
Look.
So we're going
That is
over
a
here
No.
to place a probe in its path.
Stay prepared. Stay prepared, bro. Oh. Yo, bro, keep your that's all I got.
That is, it's dissipating. Okay, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Okay, we're clear. 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 Weather clear.
Oh, the
Tornado
tornado's
cleared.
gone.
Still storming.
No, the tornado. There's another tornado that might lift us, bro. And I really
What is happening to the
Yo,
cloud?
bro.
What is happening to the cloud?
I'm in a twin.
What? Holy!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Are you serious? What is going on?
Oh my god!
I'm in cloud. Yo, I'm in cloud. The original tornado place was right here, but then it switched to the other turn. So it should be coming right back over there. Please help me. I gotta get my car. Oh my god, that truck is so dead. Bro, once that truck is so dead. That truck is so dead. The video.
Are you talking about me, dude? It's not even coming towards me.
I really know. Yeah, how do you get a new car?
Burn ridge right now. I'm like
Oh
in
my
a
god,
hill.
buy them with a lot of money. The first car that you could buy it cost $62,000. Oh, that's the VIP. How your first car cost $62,000? What? Yes, buy your first car.
How do you get out of a car?
How do you make the car
That's how I
fast?
got my first car.
How do you get out
Alright, bro, we might be able to cut this tornado off, Red. Red? Hey, let's go towards it. Where's the main trigger? Oh, somebody is right now going right at the tornado. Whoever's going right at the tornado, I see you and your body is lifted. Whoa!
He said,
Bro,
holy
look,
crap.
he got lifted.
Bro is cooked. Bro is dead.
Whoa! Oh my god!
He is, oh my
That
god.
guy's gonna be the El Reno. That guy's gonna be the El
Do I see him somewhere? Do I see him like,
No, that's not the El Prob would have been bigger than this. Never mind. It is a little.
And it's
Why
so
can't I-
big.
Why
Look,
does it
I'm
still
not
say
right
the
in the
wind's
middle of
kicking?
I think it's probably ending. Oh, yeah,
Right here is in the middle of the tornado.
Okay, it's dissipating.
You ready?
No, Red, get back in
The
the
one
car.
that
You're
gets-
gonna pull your stuff inside the car, bro.
Oh god, Red.
How do you see how many credits you have?
Come on, Red.
It's dissipating a little.
We're about to drive right here.
Can I drive any faster, dude? I haven't gotten any credits because this thing is like broken. I need to at least earn like 10 credits. And then it disappears right when I get to it.
Alright, bro. I got the toys right
That,
Yeah.
this is like the worst game. I mean, it's not bad, but I cannot earn any credits. I cannot get close to it. Because I always go at like the slowest speed.
Don't get taken by the
It thinks
tornado is finally cleared. Hi guys. I see my sun. I can see my sun. The sun is so bright.
Guys,
I thought that made it go faster.
can anyone help me get money?
No
Can
cloud.
anyone help me get money? Yeah, come to spawn. Come to spawn. Come to spawn. Somebody come help me. I'll wait for like the middle. Like in the middle. And he drops it in the woohoo. Yeah, like in the middle.
If you're watching this, like
This video is gonna take forever. Oh, it's forming.
We're golden.
Nothing.
Yo, it's forming right above me.
You know one of the.
Oh wait, it's clear.
See you.
Yes, it's sunny. Sunshine.
The windows
Look,
can
turn
go
around.
too fast sometimes.
I need help. All right. Do you have the
But
Prob?
dude, I wish I could. Like,
Yeah, I
get
have my Prob. Why? Okay, get in. Get on. Front passenger.
Also, the windows, the wind
Finally.
Click the door.
goes
Click the
too
door.
fast.
Click the
The
door.
workers messed up and can create a
Alright,
power.
I'm going fast.
We're just gonna wait for like a new storm to happen.
You go
I'm
on
pretty
the,
sure it's gonna happen over here.
if you
This
can,
is the spot where most tornadoes.
but I'm going a
No,
little
like
bit
over
slow.
here.
When you're gonna go super slow.
Crash! How does this go so fast when it's armored?
Can I go
I
faster?
don't know. It's based on the vehicle.
My truck doesn't go fast at all. It goes so fast. It goes that fast.
It goes so slow.
But when you shake it, it goes
Mine goes like
900.
I have
When
my
you turn the
Mine goes like
goes
16 miles
peaks
per
over
hour.
Don't place it down yet. I know. I'm just holding
There,
it.
it peaks over 100 miles per hour.
So
Can I
there's
get like
no
a free
clouds
car?
forming yet, so there's
It's
no
better
storm
than
right
this garbage.
now. But just
I
look
can
right here.
just shake the
Tell me
car.
when there's like a
Oh
yellow,
my
over.
where
gosh,
there's like a yellow spot.
I drift,
Like-
bro.
Probably gonna head over here.
No, I got
Is the
stuck.
tornado glitched? No,
No, it's not.
glitched. We just have to wait for a storm in order to form.
how
Alright,
long
we
is
park
my
our car
recording?
right
But
here.
we don't see
Now
a
we
storm.
It's
can finally
already
watch
30
because
minutes
see-
long. This is gonna take like
I'm not-
20
A tornado
kidding.
doesn't
I'm not
always
watching.
spawn right now. It just spawns when the storm is coming. Don't
This
see a
game is
storm.
awesome, but there's
Oh,
bugs.
you want to see something cool?
So if you
Yeah.
want to see more games that
Oh,
are
look.
pretty cool,
Oh, hold on.
like and subscribe, and I guess stay tuned.
You have to press
Hold
it
on.
like this.
Wait, can I clean this?
Oh my
Oh.
gosh.
My
Oh my-
deployment isn't
And
working.
it's so
Press
beautiful
that.
outside.
Oh, I see why. Look,
Guys,
watch this.
I'm on top of the
Alright.
Fernridge
We
dealership.
just
I'm on
hunt
top of the
down a
dealership.
tornado.
Oh my god, I'm on top of the dealership.
It's not working. Alright.
I'm on
So,
top of the
there,
dealership.
guys,
Restart your car.
If you-
Restart your
Thanks for
car.
watching the
Alright.
video, and if you watched it,
I'm just gonna have to come over here if I have to.
oh,
yellow!
storm
Yellow!
button. Make sure you like and subscribe.
There's yellow!
There's
There's yellow! There's yellow!
Yeah, like
500
and subscribe.
Alright. Hold on. Let me get there
restart
soon.
your
Dude, we gotta
And
go.
Restart your car first. Alright, come on. Get out the door.
like
Come on.
this.
Oh,
Make sure you
wait. Okay, I gotta
Okay,
end
I can
the
put it on
recording here.
Make sure you
Oh my
like
gosh.
and
Bye bye,
to my
everybody.
channel.
I am
Alright, come on.
most likely dead.
Get in. Alright.
Bye.